The Lincoln Electric 90i MIG and flux-core wire feed Weld-PAK welder, model K5256-1, is a high-quality, lightweight, and ultra-portable machine, ideal for both professional and amateur welders. Operating on 120-volt power, it offers great versatility with the ability to use flux-cored welding wire with a maximum thickness of 1/4 of an inch or solid MIG wire with a maximum thickness of 3/16 of an inch. The welder comes with an array of accessories including a welding gun, nozzle, contact tip, work cable, and clamp, all housed in a protective metal case to shield from the elements. Weighing just 15 pounds, its compact inverter design and accompanying shoulder strap make it perfect for maintenance and mobile welding tasks. The smooth and efficient operation is ensured by the simple control system featuring 2 knobs for wire speed and voltage, while the inverter power source provides smoother weld characteristics compared to traditional welders. This machine is perfect for small welding jobs, DIY projects, home repairs, and more, with infinite welding voltage allowing for fine-tuning of weld characteristics.